So I'm going to quickly go over dollar yen, and then we'll go ahead with what's happening now. So yesterday live session, I spoke about this key level here. I was trying to short this, but it wasn't giving us anything clear, so I said we'll wait. So it's key level here, right, and it comes within what, this daily order block here. Okay, see this, the low of this daily order block there. So if you go back to the H1, the body's there, this ran up, took out these stops here, so this becomes a breaker on the H1 basis, right? All this is happening within that daily key level. Now on the lower time frame, I was watching this breaker here yesterday when I mentioned it here, and I said what we're waiting for is that sell-off to confirm this breaker is gonna hold. Okay, and the example I gave was, okay, if we take this pattern here, let's look for another pattern where it unfolded. So the pattern we waited for was here. So if we look here, this breaker here, it's not ready to sell off yet, but to short from. But once we got this sell off here to prove that the sellers are in, and any retest into it is a sell. Okay, so if we go back here, we got no sell off here, no sell off, but then yesterday we didn't get no sell off then, but in the afternoon when we got it, then I said yesterday on Twitter, wait, we've got the sell off now, wait for that entry. Do you remember my tweet? I said wait for that, those that were in the live session, we've got the confirmation now, then wait for Asia. And I didn't take this Asia, I was too tired and I was asleep, but I'm in other trades, so it's coming to that. It went a bit deep, but it's fine, you know. But we've got that sell off now. See how important it is to wait for that sell off. Yeah, we wait for it. It's exactly the same as this pattern here that I've just spoke about. So here, once we got the sell off there, then we're ready to use that breaker. Before that, that breaker is not ready yet. That breaker is not ready, and obviously we can confluence that with a H1 block as well, you know, within the H1 block. So this was the important factor, the sell off. This will tell you how to what's it called, wait and be patient. I'm in a euro long at the moment. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can see my screen. Oh fuck sakes, what have I done? Yeah, I'm long here, stop there, but we'll leave that for another time. So yes, cable will come back to that. So that is this is this. So okay, dollar yen done. Okay, but I'm in another trade, so I'll focus on that. Let's go to what's happening now. Euro dollar. So euro dollar, as we can see, is come down. Fucking hell, my chart's all over the place here. So it's come down, and it's is bouncing off of this candle here. So if we go to the lower time frame, we can see that it's coming off of this 15-minute. So this here, if you look carefully, this down move, right, touched, rallied away, it's come back down, rallied away. This is where the buyers have stepped in. This is the move. Look for this move here, but then this move here, because this is the swing low before the new high. So it's come down, it's filled in the gap, okay, into this basic low, come up, down, takes out this low here, and I said I want to see this low hold. I mean, it can go down, but now that it's sort of confirmed to me by taking this out, so I do not want to see this low taken. If this low gets taken, then I don't like the idea, and I do believe we're gonna go up to here. I've got the 1.1975 level. Reason why I've got that level is if we go onto the daily. I mean, look at all this here. I think all this can get filled in, to be honest with you. But 1.1975 is around here, and then the 1.2, and then whatever targets there. So ideally, I would like it. I don't really want to go for it to go below this low now, because if we've come down, moved up, took out this high here, retraced back down, and then pushed up again, took out this high. We're in New York session now. So I mean, I want to see momentum. I mean, we've got a clean double top here for scalp, you know. But bigger picture, I'm seeing higher prices. If we go to the dollar index, right? No, wrong chart. There's my dollar index. Okay, if we go to the dollar index, we've got see this down move here, this down move here, pushed up, took out the stops, and into this support becomes resistance. So I like this to hold on a H1 basis. As I spoke about this low here, we pushed up into this block here, sold off, back into this here. I mean, it's a bit messy at the moment, but to be honest with you, but I would like to see this hold. If it does pop up, I think I'll be watching this level here, this low here, and there's a bit of a gap here. But ideally, I would like to see it sell off. But it is NFP tomorrow, so shit does get a bit funny. So that's that. So back to the euro. Yeah, so I want to see this low hold. If it doesn't, then I'll have to wait on the sidelines. Cable's come to, if you look on the daily chart, cable, we've got into a daily block here. This is the high of the daily block, and it's also resistance becomes support here. Now we've got a bit of a gap here, right? So for me to be correct, I mean this down move here took out these stops here. It took out these stops here, okay? I do not, and we fill in the void. I do not want to see price go below here, so I'll be waiting for lower time frame bullish PA. So I mean, I've got all this marked out here. I like to come here, fill the gap in, show me some bullishness, get long, and I believe we'll take out these highs here, and then 134 here. So I'm gonna stop the recording here, and I'll take questions in a minute.